Hello guys, welcome to Raphael Metro. Today we'll solve this exponential c to the power c equal 2 to the power 2 plus c plus 8. Then what's the value of c? So take a look. We can write c to the power c equal 2 to the power 2 bracket c plus 4. Just we take common 2 from here, then we can get this. So after that we can write c to the power c equal this 2 is to the power is square equal 4, and this c plus 4 is gonna this power. So after that we can write easily c to the power c equal uh, 4 to the power c times 4 to the power 4. So just we are using here this exponential formula, like x to the power n plus m equal x to the power n times x to the power m. So after applying this formula we get this. Then we can easily write c to the power c divided by 4 to the power c equal 4 to the power c times 4 to the power 4 divided by 4 to the power c. We just divided both sides by 4 to the power c. So from here we can cancel out this 4 to the power c and this 4 to the power c. So after that we can get this equation is look like c to the power c divided by 4 to the power c equal 4 to the power 4. So here we can use another exponential formula to simplify this equation, is like m to the power b divided by n to the power b equal m divided by n bracket whole to the power b. So just simplifying this equation, we can easily take here like c to the power 4 c divided by 4 bracket c equal 4 to the power 4. So just we have to use 4 to the power 4 bracket c times 1 by 4 equal 4 to the power 4 times 1 by 4. We just cutting down this 4 and this 4. So after that we can get 4 c to the power c divided by 4 bracket this will be in here divided by 4 equal 4, and this one will be in here is 1. So after that we can write this base and this power are same, so we can easily write this is c to the power 4 equal 4, this 4 to the power 1 equal 1. So from here we can easily write c to the power 4 equal 2 to the power square, so bracket c to the power 4. So from here we can easily write c to the power 4 equal 2 divided by 1. So after that we can write c equal 4 to the times 2, then the real value of c equal 8. This is the answer. So guys, if you are still in here, please subscribe my channel. In here you can get this easily. So guys, if you are still in here, please subscribe my channel and support me. Please like this solution and comment below the answer. It will be very appreciate you. Please subscribe my channel guys. Thank you.